Hey everyone, just wanted to do a quick video on taillight removal on the Kia Niro. This one is a 2018 EX Premium with the LED taillights. You can kind of see them in there. But I assume it's the same for all of them. The trick is getting this plastic piece off. This covers two screws that hold the taillight in. And the instructions online weren't very helpful. They suggest doing something like this, but there really isn't any room to go here. The key is you're trying to push this way. To do that, you stick the flathead screwdriver in, and you kind of twist and push against, and you'll eventually get a pop. It's pretty loud and pretty violent, but once you get that, it should just pop off the rest of the way. There's just a few little plastic retention pieces in here. You can see those pieces right there are what you're kind of going against, but there's also these little holes here that match up to a couple of tabs there, and there. So that's what you're fighting against, getting that off. Luckily I didn't break anything, but then once you do that, it's just a matter of popping these two screws out. On this side, there's two metal pieces that you got to kind of pull against. One's kind of up here, one's kind of down here. I would highly recommend using a plastic tool. Just have this little scraper. I ended up having to kind of wedge it back in here as I'm pulling away from here to eventually get it out. There's also a little, I'm not sure what, something on the underside of the bulb, or sorry, the housing, that makes it a little difficult to get off. So you have to you can kind of see it here, the little white pieces. So once you take the screws out, you have to kind of push this up and pull out at the same time, which is really hard to do with the limited space up here. So hopefully that helps.